43 years of driving, we probably ended up with at least 3 million miles, maybe more. It's been a long career. Everybody thinks I should retire, but I kind of enjoy what I'm doing. We haul rock, sand, gravel, dirt. It's one thing nice about the job. You never know till you show up here in the morning what your day is going to start out with. The trucking industry's changed a lot in 40 years. There's a lot of uncourteous drivers you encounter on a daily basis. It's a lot worse now than it used to be. You got to constantly be aware of your surroundings. It's more so you're watching for them than you are your own personal safety.
One of the biggest challenges of running a trucking company is the safety component. Protecting the lives of people is really important to us. Not just complying with regulations, but going above and beyond. So it was really nice knowing that we could grow with our telematics provider. I reached out to Argos. I did several demos of other types of GPS devices and knew Geotab was the way to go. About a year later, I reached out to Argos to get some idea on a forward-facing camera. And I went with Lytx, with Surfsight. Having the Surfsight camera interface layered directly on top of the Geotab device, the integration was absolutely seamless. Being able to bring in technology was important to me, but I knew I couldn't do it all at once.
They put the cameras in the trucks, which I wasn't a fan of at first. Old school, I guess you'd say. But turned out to be a good thing for me to have the cameras in there. It was just a beautiful day. It was bright, sunny. I mean, you couldn't ask for a much better day to drive. I was headed to the job site loaded. Had a young driver come out of a private driveway. He had his wheels turned as if he was going to turn my direction, but he never stopped. The main thing in my brain at the time was to get out of the truck. I hollered at that young man, and he helped me do that. So when I seen he wasn't hurt, that was the highlight of the day.
Getting a call that a driver has been in an accident is one of the worst calls you can get. The video is pretty hard to watch, knowing that someone you respect and care about is in that truck. Then hearing that the sheriff was questioning how safe our driver was driving and thinking that our driver was at fault. I was provided with the contact information for the sheriff. I was able to email over the clip. Within minutes, the sheriff called me back and the tone had completely changed. He even made the comment that
he saved a boy's life.
They are professional drivers. They do this for a living, and to have the support of the evidence of a video camera to see what they see is priceless.
We just had those put in 7 to 10 days before this incident happened. To see what it could do for the company and what it did for me, it was a really good move to have.
I'm thankful that Argos pointed us in the direction of Geotab and Lytx. They have been better together.